Hello everyone. Today we will learn a few basic keyboard shortcuts and how to do them with your keyboard. So let's get started. On your screen right now, you will see that at the top here I have Microsoft Word open with a list of some of the most important keyboard shortcuts that I want you to learn. On the bottom of your screen, you will see a layout of my keyboard. And the reason why I have this here is because I want to show you that whenever I press a button on my keyboard, it will show you on the screen which button I am pressing. Okay, so for example, if I press the control key, it will light up on the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so let me do an example right now. If I press control, as you can see, the control key is lighting up because I'm pressing the control key. Okay, now if I press and hold control, it's gonna stay white. Okay, if I only press it and let go one time, it's gonna light up and then it's gonna disappear right away. Okay, so that is how the on-screen keyboard is going to work. The first shortcut is copy. The keyboard shortcut for copy is Control C, and let's copy this word apple. Okay, and what you need to do first is you need to select the word or sentence that you want to copy, and then you're gonna press Control, and you can, as you can see, you can hold the Control key, and then you're gonna press C only one time. Okay, so C. So as you can see, I press Control C to copy. Now we are going to paste, and paste is Control V, and I'm going to paste the word apple down here in the second line. So Control V, and only press it one time, right? Because if you press it again, right, and you keep pressing, it's gonna keep pasting, okay, whatever you have copied. The next shortcut is undo, and undo is Control Z. So on the third line here, I'm going to paste apple as well here on the third line, and I'm gonna paste again one more time, and as you can see, I have two words. Right now, to undo that second word, I can hold Control Z to undo that. So Control Z will undo my second paste. The next shortcut is redo, and redo is Control Y, and undo means to take a step back. Redo means to take the step forward again, right? So undo is back, redo is to go forward again. So let's show an example. So I'm going to type a sentence here. The apple is red, and let's say I made a mistake. That's the wrong sentence. I want to undo. I'm going to press Control Z to undo that, right? But let's say, oh, you know what? That's what I wanted. I'm going to press Control Y to redo. Okay, so it's just to do it again, right? To go back and forward. So Control Z to undo, Control Y to redo. The next keyboard shortcut is to print, and print is Control P. So if you press Control P, you will go to the print menu, and you can print your document. The last keyboard shortcut is save, and the keyboard shortcut for save is Control S. And if this is a new document, when you hit Control S, it will go to the Save As menu option. Okay, so let's say I saved it here to downloads, and I'm just gonna save keyboard shortcuts. Save. Now that I saved it the first time, if I press Control S, it's just going to save it. Okay, so if I make any changes, if I add any words here, right, and I hit Control S, it's just going to save it for me. It's not going to ask me where to save it again. That will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. There are more shortcuts that I do want you to learn, and we will be learning about them in the future.